Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a unbox and first impression of this Logitech G Pro X keyboard. As you can see here, the price tag is tagged as $229, but I got it for offer at $149 Sing. I guess the brand should be coming out with a new keyboards, looking at the trend wireless mechanical keyboard. That's why these pieces are going at offer. I got it in the blue switch, however there's an option of a brown or red switches as well, depending on the shop that you go to and the stock availability. So now let's dive into the unboxing. A decent cardboard box with some information here. Firstly, we have some dimensions of this keyboard. The width is 361, the height is 153, and the depth is 34, all in millimeters. So it comes with a electrostatic bag and some simple setup inside. So for subscribers, thank you. Those who have not subscribed, you are within the 99%. Do subscribe to help the channel and for more exciting content to be delivered. We have here is a high quality braided cable, the usual two-prong design and the length of 1.8 meters. So it's still a USB A to a USB micro. So next we have in this small box the keycap puller, which is a dual purpose. It's for the keycap and also the switch. Yes, this keyboard is hot swappable. Then we have instructions and a sticker to paste it on your table, your cabinet, and yeah, some advertising. So this is the Pro inspired keyboard setup with Logitech's Light Sync RGB, so you'll be able to sync it with your mouse, speakers, headphones, etc. So pulling out the keyboard, we are greeted with a quality build, 12 programmable function keys depending on the genre of games that you're playing. On the top right, we have a gaming key, so when activated, the Windows key will be disabled, and also a lighting key for you to switch off the RGB at the press of a button. On the bottom of the keyboard, we have this big squarish piece of keyboard feet, which are really big, I must say, and when placed on the solid surface, the keyboard will not move, and the standoffs are designed to be 0 degrees, 4 and 6 degrees. Other than that, we have play, pause, stop, forward, backward control keys, and of course volume keys. These are activated when you compress the function button together. So let's hook up the keyboard for the first time and see what we have got. So upon attaching it to your computer, you'll be asked to download the G Hub software if you have yet to. On the main page, your device will be detected. On some other device which are older, you need to update the firmware before it shows up on the G Hub. So for this, I'll work on it in the later video. So there are some presets in G Hub to choose from. Addition, there are user contributions, so you can download and apply it to both your keyboard and mouse. So we have this, which is focusing on the ASDW and some rainbow. The possibilities are infinite. So let's pluck out some keys and see how is it inside. So after pulling on out, the keycap feels solid. It's a matte finishing and the alphabets are transparent so that the LED is able to shine through. So as of recording, right, on their official website, they do have a KDA English GX Brown tactile setup as well. So what I have here is Cherry MX Blue switches, which is clicky and it's quite heavy. So for users who like a more delicate touch, then you will be able to swap it to other key switches. For users who wish to change their keycaps or switches often, I'll strongly recommend you buy a proper keycap switch puller, because the original one provided is not that sturdy. So for this keyboard, it takes a 3-pin switch. So when buying, do take note. Otherwise, we can snip off the additional 2 plastic pins if you're getting a 5-pin setup. So also, when buying the switches, make sure that you buy those with a transparent top case, otherwise the RGB won't be able to shine through. So this will be the end of today's unbox and first impression. Signing off, Restore Refurb Works. See you in the next one.